Kia revealed the new Picanto. Opposites united philosophy gives new Picanto a bold new look. It comes with the choice between the baseline and the GT line. Redesigned GT Line combines a stylish exterior with fan advanced technology suited for younger and first car owners. The new light signature, along with the enhanced Picanto's new front bumper, signature tiger nose, fender and bonnet give the car a dramatic and sporty image. A simple and stable rear design highlights the vertical connectivity between the new Picanto's redesigned rear lights and rear bumper. The new Picanto comes with the choice of two engines. Customers can choose between the 1-liter or 1.2-liter petrol engine. Both engines drive the front wheels via a 5-speed manual transmission or via Kia's automated manual transmission. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it?